Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool Origami Wearable Shark Teeth. It's by Jeremy Shafer, and check it out. So it looks really cool, and you can wear it. Check this out. Alright, so here's the teeth right here, and you actually need two of them. So one's going to go in the upper jaw, and then one for the lower one. Alright, so to put them on, see, here's how to do it. So you just... see? Just like that. Ha 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 ha. And be really careful so you don't get any spit on it. See? Just like that. So yeah, there's the shark teeth. So alright, hope you guys... oh, to learn how to fold them, click the card. So there you have it. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the demo, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.